Tell me what is the best and the worst thing about Chandigarh?
So the best thing about Chandigarh is the architecture, the Lee Corbusier architecture,
Okay.
as well as the highway dhabas,
Okay.
which is famous for. And sir, sir, it is a very small place. So
best कितनी चीजें हो सकती हैं किसी भी जगह की?
एक चीज sir.
So what is the best thing about Chandigarh?
So the architecture.
Architecture. What is the worst thing?
The worst thing, it's a really small place, sir. So
It's a
there's
small
not
place.
a lot of thing to do in Chandigarh, sir.
Okay.
You have to go out.
Great. So you had a good time?
Yes, sir.
Generally all good?
Yes, sir.
Want to be the commander now?
Yes, sir.
Can I call you commander doing the task?
Yes, sir.
Wanna come and stand here? Commander, task in front of you. Help you material of couple of planks, the leaves and the rope.
Yes, sir.
And the load.
Yes, sir.
Start line, finish line. Structures as you see them. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Whom do you want to call as subordinates?
48 and 50.
Call for them the moment they arrive, your time will start.
Chest number 48, 50. Welcome. This is the task at hand. We have to go from here to there. This is the starting line, this is the finishing line. These are the obstacles that we have to cross. And you have to listen to all my commands, which I tell you. And you have to help me at all times. And all the rules apply same as HGT, half group task. Okay, let's start with the task.
Yes, sir.
So we should.
Commander, two things.
Yes, sir.
Why do they have to listen to you? If a commander has to tell कि मेरी बात सुनोगे, then he is not a commander, na?
Yes, sir.
So
They have to
if
listen
I
to me.
need your help, then I'll ask for it.
Okay, sir.
That is the correct way to put it.
Yes, sir.
And all the rules as the rules in PGT. That
Yes,
is
sir.
the first task that you would have done.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Continue.
So let's try moving the plank to there. Let's see if it reaches. I think we'll need human support. I'll just. Yeah, Shivang and chest number 50. Chest number 50 and chest number 48 just stand here. I'll try
How
to.
many people can move ahead in this manner?
Sir, one of us.
One of you. I'll allow two of you because
Yes,
there are
sir.
two spaces.
Yes, sir.
Two of you walk on the ground and
Chest number 50 and me will proceed to head. So can we carry the?
absolutely.
Yes, sir.
10 seconds walk on the ground. Thereafter no breaking rules.
Chest number 50. Yeah, just carry don't carry the load. Just carry the rope and yeah. So we'll just hold this.
Why did not you carry the load, commander?
Sir, Shivang will bring it when he comes.
So it will come later.
Yes, sir.
Makes sense.
So I'll just proceed
Okay,
ahead.
commander.
Yes, sir.
See where you are putting your leg.
Yes, sir.
कहाँ रखनी चाहिए थी पैर?
In the front, sir.
आगे ना?
Yes, sir.
तो आपने क्योंकि बीच में रखा तो क्या हुआ?
पीछे हो गया.
जो पीछे वाला है,
Yes, sir.
the bar,
Yes,
touch
sir.
that bar, where the plank is resting. This bar is broken now.
Yes, sir.
Only the bar is broken, the poles
Okay.
are still intact. What will you do?
Sir, we'll tie the rope around, and then we'll put the plank beneath the rope, sir.
Okay, we'll put the plank beneath the rope.
Yes, sir.
But unfortunately, today the things are not going your way.
Yes, sir.
So the right pole, that's it.
Yes, sir.
That right pole is broke. You are saying right pole, you'll tie a rope and you'll be able to go.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But now what has happened is that the pole has occurred back, but आप आगे देख रहे हो आगे वाला जो goal post है,
Yes, sir.
उसपे measure one length of your arm.
Yes, sir.
Center में ले जाओ इसको.
Hold this.
Move the plank. Yeah. Measure one length of your arm. ना इधर नहीं उधर center में मैंने कहा.
अच्छा.
हाँ. इसको आधा कर दो. Yeah. सिर्फ इतना ही white है बाकी सारा blue है.
Yes, sir.
What to do?
Sir,
More than half your time is over, Commander.
so we'll try to do the same thing. As there is space here, we can put the bully here, and then we can tie the same thing as that. We'll try to stick it up here, and we can put the plank over this, sir.
But then it will not be stable, na? आगे क्या रोकेगा?
Yes,
What
sir.
else could have been done? Everything else is back. Only thing is आगे वाले goal post में a portion has become blue.
Blue.
Sorry, white. Rest all the goal post is blue.
Sir, we have two ropes,
Okay.
so we can tie the rope around here.
Absolutely.
Yes,
And then it will give the elevation to the
Elevation.
plank
Yes,
required.
sir.
So how many people will be able to come ahead?
Sir, all except one, sir.
Except one.
Yes, sir.
Two of you walk on the ground and move ahead.
Just number 48, come ahead. 50 stay here.
That plank is no longer available to you.
This plank is not available.
This is available, that is not available. Move ahead.
Hold this.
So this way he'll be able to come ahead.
Yes, sir.
Understood the idea. And how will you go ahead?
How will you go ahead, sir? Sir, we can directly place the plank from here to there. I think
This platform has turned blue.
this platform is turned blue. Sir, we'll put the plank over this and tie the rope at the back, sir.
Okay. Unfortunately, where you are tying the rope, no?
Yes, sir.
कहाँ पे tie कर रहे हो आप?
यहाँ पे
और कहाँ पे plank rest करेगा?
प्लैंक सर यहीं रहेगा, रोप यहाँ रहेगी तो इट विल हैव वेट तो
और आगे plank कहाँ रहेगा?
आगे सर इस पे रहेगा.
इस पे रहेगा ना? तो इस पोल पे हाथ लगाओ. इसका जो ये वाला पोर्शन है ना आपका पोल का, ये ब्लू हो गया है.
यस सर. तो नीचे का अभी बचा है ना अभी. यस सर. सॉरी सर.
ऊपर का बचा है, नीचे का ब्लू हो गया है.
अच्छा ऊपर. फिर भी सर द सेम थिंग विल.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
Keep back the helping material where you found them. Very well done, Commander.
यस सर.
Go back to your plane.